promises with no guarantees. Just say to believe, or say I can't be.
Hey babes, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Shay. If you're new here, and ain't nobody asked me, but y'all, I got a new spring bag and I'm obsessed, okay? Who would have thought in 2021, okay, we would be going right back to Coach? Because if you would have told me I was going to be wearing Coach again, I would be like, no. Like, you're crazy. Like, what? So I'm going to be showing you guys the new bag that I've been wearing, and people just been eyeing it like, girl, where'd you get that bag from? And I'm just like, girl, it's from Coach. Before we get into this video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Remember to follow me at iamshai.h on Instagram, because girl, it helps me out, and that is free. Okay, so make sure you guys do that, and yeah, let's get into the video. Y'all ready? So this is the Coach Pillow Tabby bag, and I got it in the color green. It's giving me like a forest green type of color, but it's called green, so we gonna call it green. And when I tell y'all, this bag is thebomb.com. I love how delicate it is. I love the structured silhouette that it has. Like, it's literally so perfect. It's giving me like a 1970s Coach design, like, if that makes sense, like the 1970s style. And then it has like this plush pillow, soft leather, like literally it feels like a cloud, like literally it feels like a pillow. I think $500 and some change is what I paid for this. And honestly, for the design, for the quality, I think that Coach knew better. Like, Coach knew that if it was $1,000, nobody was gonna buy it. Honestly, it would have been like, oh, that's cute, but I'll pass. So I really think they just was like, you know what, let me hand it to y'all for $500, and then when we get back up there, we gonna start dropping them $1,000 bags. Okay, so I really love this, especially for the price. I do think that this will be a bag that it will go up, because like literally when I tell y'all it was sold out, like sis was not playing. Okay, they was grabbing the bag. Absolutely love the color. I feel like the color is so rich with color. Like, I was honestly thinking about getting either the black one or the nude one, because I really love the nude bag. But I'm just like, you know what, I'll just settle for this, because I love the color and I feel like it's so rich in color, and I was just like, I could do a lot with this. I could do a lot with her. This is not the strap that it comes with, which I love, because you're able to switch the straps, because girl, like, I need varieties, okay? I need options. So it came with 2 straps. It came with a shoulder strap, and then it came with a crossbody strap. But then I just took this off of one of my other bags and I just put it on it, and it is perfect, because the gold trimming that this Coach bag has is kind of a rusty trimming, and so is the shoulder chain that I added. So I was just like, oh, this is perfect. And I just love that gold detail. Y'all know I'm obsessed with gold. Like, gold on me is just it. Anything gold, I'm here for it. I feel like Coach is really like making a comeback. Like, they needed to, because in a minute they was about to sit up and disappear, like a fart in the wind. Like, they was about to be gone. Okay, so I really love that they made this comeback. You know, Coach is a classic. So yeah, I'm gonna tell you guys everything that I have in this bag. All right, so I opened my bag, and we're about to dig into this and see everything that's in this bag, because it's a lot. It's a lot. So first I got my wallet, and y'all see how big. I don't even think this is a wallet. I honestly think this is a makeup mini bag. Like, this is huge. So for this to fit in this bag, yeah. So I literally carry my debit card, my money, my cash, everything is literally in this bag. Okay, anything and everything that a girl should have, all of my important stuff is in this bag. So yeah, this is my wallet basically. And then I have my Roses and Roses Dior roller perfume. A must have. I need this because I need to freshen up each time, because I feel like every time we have perfume on, I feel like sometimes it just goes away, even though I can't smell it no more. I don't like that. Like, I want to smell something, so I always put this on, you know, a little bit right here. So I always carry this with me, and it's new and I'm obsessed with it, so I always have to have this in wherever I go. It gotta come with me. Okay, in case y'all want to cop this, it's a part of the floral family. So yeah, very feminine, very cute, sexy, perfect for the spring and summertime. So I would definitely always have this in my bag, especially for the next couple of months. Baby, this is gonna be in it. Okay, the next thing that I have is definitely my cocoa butter hand lotion. Like, I need this, okay, because your girl be ashy, so I always have some cocoa butter or some hand lotion with me. Bomb. Okay, I love this. I always have to have this with me, because literally I be ashy, like, no joke. Like, my feet, especially the summertime, I need to have my toes out and everything. Like, my hands, I can't be looking ashy around these parts, okay? Especially in New York City, they will lit you on fire, okay? They will yeah, they will smoke you. So I always have to have my cocoa butter because we can't be looking cute out here and being ashy. So I always And then I have my Fenty Cream Lip Gloss. And this is new. I'm still kind of getting used to it, so yeah, that's that. But I love it. It's like kind of like a brown lip gloss, so I'm kind of getting used to it, kind of trying it out. But other than this, I always have like a lip gloss on me or whatever like that. Love it. Okay, love it. So y'all, this is just a whole lot in here. Okay, so we just gonna get down to it. All right, so the next thing that I have is this mirror, and I always have to have a compact mirror. Like, I cannot go nowhere without a mirror because I need to see if something in my teeth, in my eyes, any boogies. Because, you know, you could be outside and people really won't be telling you when you have something on your face. So I always have to have my mirror. I'm literally in this every other hour. So, yeah, I need my mirror. And I always tell y'all, like, please have a mirror when y'all going outside because, yeah, like, stuff be happening. And we need it. So the next thing I have is mints. I always have mints with me, especially when I'm going out to eat. Like, it's a must. We don't want no stank or funky breath. So yeah. And then I also have my Gucci Bloom. This is something that I always had before I got the Roses and Roses. So yeah, I always have this with me just in case. Love it. You never know what you're in the mood for. So yeah, I always have my Gucci Bloom with me. That's so old though. I've had that for a minute. So yeah. And then, baby, I live in New York City, so I always have to have my taser with me. So yeah, this, y'all, tell me I don't have my whole life in this bag. Like, this is carrying my life, Jesus. Like, so I always have to have my flashlight / taser with me because in these streets in New York City, you don't ever know, okay? And then I have my hair clip because, you know, long hair, we need this. So yeah, this is basically how the inside of the bag looks. It has it has 2 compartments, which I love because I love to keep my stuff separated. And it's just very neat. This is how it looks with the shoulder strap, and I'm obsessed, very minimalist, obsessed. So remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Remember to follow me at iamshai.h on Instagram because girl, it helps me out and it's free. And I will see you guys in my next video.